Hey, what's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Trevor Turner. I just wanted to make a quick video here in regards to Crazy Good. Hey folks, Crazy Good is a wonderful business. I got started about 3.5 weeks ago. Referred my first person, I guess about a week after joining, and basically, you know what? It just started exploding from there. He told somebody, they told someone. Before I looked up, in my first week of working the business, there was 11 new accounts. I mean, it went from making $1 to $11, and now 3 weeks later, it's over 34 members in the organization, all excited about building. And we have a system that's just exploding this $10 business, and it's a powerful business. Crazy Good is powerful because Steve Harvey's endorsing it. He's a part of it. It makes passive income. And I mean, it's simple for people to join. It's kind of similar. Now, the product is similar to a social networking Facebook type of website, except this site, it's all private. You know, they don't share your information with third-party companies. They don't bring in third-party company ads to interrupt your social networking experience. And the bottom line, this business is exploding throughout the country, throughout various communities, and I mean, I'm excited about it because I've seen nothing that has grown this fast that I've done in networking. To have 34 members in an organization in a matter of 3 weeks is just amazing. And you know, personally, I've only referred at this point about 3 people, but I'm looking forward to sharing it with the world. So that's why I'm making this video right now. So definitely, if you're looking for a good opportunity, it's definitely Crazy Good.